What's going on? What's going on, YouTube? Another day, another video, another dollar here. Another great day here. Breaking down what happened today in the market. It was okay. I mean, it was just, but it is what it is. I mean, I'm up $540. Not much today, but it's still, better than losing, right? I mean, I'll break it down exactly. I traded Apple. I actually lost money on Apple. I made money on NIO, and I lost $4, almost $5 on SRNE. That one was kind of just, I jumped in and jumped right back out. I don't know. So let's see. Let's break it down exactly what happened here on Apple this morning. Well, actually, I didn't start that one. I started trading NIO first. And let's see. I was short biased already. So I went short here because it was having a hard time, I thought we would come down, but nope. I got ripped up right here and ended up losing. I was down like $200. I think it was like 180, somewhere on there. I was still expecting it to pull down, it was just not. I mean, there was a lot of, it was still climbing up, but there was just not as aggressive, I guess. And then I really didn't start. I was already down like $100 and something. It was just not, I don't know, the market was just not going the way I wanted it originally. So I was kind of going in it slow, and then I come back. I come to Apple, and I think I lost here a little bit of money. I was going short right there, and then this candle. It's just crazy how these candles here at the last minute, they change. Like at the last second, they changed to like a little hammer or whatever, and then it just rips up. And that's what really pisses. That really bothers me, because just at the last minute, and you're looking at the 5-minute chart, and you're looking at this, and you're doing both, and you're like, okay, so more than likely, it's probably gonna come down to the downside, because it's a full red candle, and then zoop, goes all the way up, and then when this one goes in, you're already trapped. So either you get out or you wait for it to come down, and then it just rips on you. So yeah, I just called it a loss on that one as well. And then I came back to NIO, and this is when I started making money. I started just said, you know what, clearly my bias is not working. I'm short right now, so I'm gonna buy, and I'm just gonna put a stop loss right there, even if I have to break even. I'll probably hold. I was like, first candle, to come touchdown, I'll buy, and then I'll look out for the, like if it dumps on me, then oh well, whatever. I had my stop loss ready. So nope, it kept climbing, and then I ended up breaking even on that point. I was break even. And I was waiting for, I said, you know what, I'm going to wait for more of a direction. So what I did was, I was looking more at the 5-minute chart. I was 5-minute chart here. And that was like a little hammer to the downside. And I wasn't in it because that was still, it could still climb up, obviously. But there's a lot of green candles. You would think one would turn red, but it always has to do it here in the market. So what did I do next? I didn't take another trade until this candle right here. See this little formation? It looks like it was a fake out to the upside. Now this closed. I know because I traded it on the 1-minute chart. If you pay attention, it's pretty freaking the close. See, this one was green. When it turned red right at the end, and that's what put the 5-minute candle like that. It looks so like a little doji, spinning doji. So what did I do? I jump as soon as it turns like that. I jump on a short position, and I ride it down all the way down like this for 15 minutes maybe. So I rode it all the way down to the VWAP. I know my initial first, so I sold here because I saw this little, kind of like a wedge, and it was gonna break up. So I ended up just collecting there the first time. I started to short again here. I did it on this candle, and I was almost, I was pretty worried because it kept going, trying to climb up. Whenever you're looking at it from that perspective, it looks like it's gonna pop up. So, but it didn't. I was still looking at the 5-minute chart. I was still looking at the 5-minute chart right here, and it was looking like a fake out. See, that 5-minute right there closed like that, and then this one ended up trying to do the same thing, but it ended up coming down, and I ended up selling right there at the VWAP, and that was what gave me my gains, and I made my money. And I guess I could have just bought. I really thought it was gonna bounce at the VWAP, and it did, but at the same time, I'm not here for guessing. I just didn't. I don't know. It was just it's just a day that's kind of all over the place. So I'm not gonna, risk it, and I'll just leave it at that. So today, let's look at all the overall market. See, Baba, I am on a swing trade on Baba right here. Some bad news came out for China, and I bought the dip on the swing. And let's see, when I swing, I go by a 4 hours chart. See, right now this is actually it's recovering pretty good. So I don't know if I should take profits there or keep riding it. I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm still debating. It's not a big position, but it's still, it's still okay. Now Tesla, let's go look at Tesla. Tesla is just it bounced off somewhere on that support there. Okay, all these EV companies, they're just stuck in this range, sort of, sideways market right now. Apple, let's look at Apple. Apple is actually doing fairly good. It broke the resistance, so I really like that it did that. That was the first attempt, second attempt. See, that's the third attempt. If it holds that and it keeps climbing, then we could see some massive move up. I think so. I think so. They got some good news. Apple's always been a good stock, so there's just nothing to worry about, at least from my perspective. AMD, see, all these stocks right here, right? They're stuck on this little range. They won't go past it. So I don't know if we're at the top already, or we're just maybe consolidating for the next move up to the upside or to the downside. So anything can happen right now. Anything really. Let's see. Let's look at the SPY. See, everything is just, it looks so toppy. It does. Obviously, it looks very toppy, but that doesn't mean it's topped out already. The overall pattern is still bullish. We're still bullish. Our next resistance will be somewhere around 275. So, and then that's not out of the, out of the question. Obviously, first we have to get past again 260, but once we get past 260, we can get up to 275, somewhere around there. And the reason why I don't consider this to be such strong resistance as much anymore is because we broke it over at one time. Now, if we get rejected again, now then I could be starting to look bearish. But if it's going up, if it breaks it and it holds it and we keep climbing, then it's obviously a continuation. And then we just keep on grinding. This is like the bottom side of the channel. This little channel that was going up, and then we broke down, we came down, and then we were going to a downtrend, and then we came down. It was a fake out. We came back right through this, and then now we faked out again. So the market is full of fake outs. You just have to, see when it's confirmed. Like right now, it was a fake out, and then we came down. Now, if it hits it and it comes down, then it's confirmed. The trend is confirmed, and we'll be ready to go. So with that being said, that's pretty much it for today. I'll leave you guys with that. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and be a part of this channel. We're doing a good job here every day. But yeah, don't forget to leave hit that like button. It really does help. Appreciate it.